Look, shawty, what's up? I ain't tryna be rude, but I seen you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. If my eyes don't deceive you, like what you see, so we can skate off up out this lift and go somewhere a little more private, like back to my crib, but not on no typical shit, like playing Scrabble. I dabble with wordplay. So this.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Gabrielle B back with another video. Before we get into anything, you already know to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop another video. And if that's not it, that's not all, let's get into this video. Today we are going to be dyeing lace. So we need BW2 powder, 30 volume developer, Got2Be Freeze Spray, aluminum foil, a dye brush, and the bowl to go mix the concoction together. Alright, now it's time to mix the concoction. So first, you want to take 1 scoop of the BW2 powder, not 3, not 4, not 5, just 1, especially since it's a small closure. I have a 4x4 closure. You're only going to need 1 scoop. I would say 2.5 would work for a full frontal, but just 1 scoop for smaller closures. And then you want to pour the volume developer as needed. Don't pour a lot in the beginning, just pour a little and pour as you go, as you try to mix the concoction. Because if you try to pour a lot in the beginning, you'll have a liquidy consistency, and you don't want that at all. Alright, so now we're going to apply the dye to the lace. You're going to dab and slide. Do not press into the lace. My hack that you won't see in this video is me spraying the lace with Got2Be Freeze Spray before I apply the dye. That just helps prevent the dye from going through the lace and touching the hair. I don't know where I learned that at, but it does work. So dab and slide. Do not press into the lace. That just makes it worse for you when you finish this, because once you finish dyeing the whole process and you notice that your hair is dyed, it's kind of like, dang, you messed up. So we don't want to do that. So dab and slide, dab and slide, dab and slide. Alright, so you want to grab some aluminum foil and wrap your lace in aluminum foil and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So you want to lay the lace dye side down and wrap it. Do not press into the lace because that causes more problems. So just lay it dye side down and wrap it and let it sit for 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes. Good. Once the 30 minutes is up, you want to check the lace. Usually if it's like a brownish color or like a tannish color, then it's ready. But if it's not, then let it sit for 15 minutes max. But check throughout those 15 minutes. But that's it. Once that's up, you want to wash that dye off because you shouldn't be letting it sit any longer, okay? Alright, so I'm grabbing my Neutralizing shampoo. I'm going to do 2 washes. All that does is stop the process of the dye from continuing, so you don't still have the dye going, and then your roots and your lace just be messed up. Okay, so just get you some Neutralizing shampoo and wash it. It just stops the process. Okay. All right, now you can see that golden brown scalp. You feel me? You know, give yourself a round of applause, guys. You have successfully dyed your lace. You have dyed your laces. You don't need to go to the hairstyles no more. You know how to dye your lace. Okay, y'all. But y'all already know. More videos to come. Okay, if you need me to make another video, especially on how to dye a frontal and all that, you already know what's going on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that in a bag of chips. Okay, hit that notification bell, follow my socials, everything. Period. Goodbye.